welcome back to another opening. And this time, a friend of mine just came back from a Japan trip, and on my request, to be honest, but he brought me back, or he brought with him, a display of um, Destined Rivals Part 1, which is like, it's different because in the West, in the English version, this is combined with the Glory from Team Rocket. And this one is one pack, but in Japan, it's just this one. I've already have one of these in Korean. I opened it because a friend of mine who visited Korea a while ago. And yes, this one is like insanely nice because I want this rather than the English version because I'm only interested in the Garchomp. I'm gonna open it like this, and it's gonna be a very roundabout way of opening it because I am also a collector and I don't want to rip this up, so I'm gonna go and slice these open like this with the knife so I can open it normally. Okay, and voila, we got these beautiful packs with like tons of boosters because it's only five cards per booster pack. All right, then let's open the first one. And are they also? Oh no, they are possible to open this way. We got. I'm not that sure. Okay, we got the Lactac, we got the Ponyta, we got the Crab, and we got a Milotic from Cynthia. Let's go. First Cynthia card. It's gonna be a little bit faster than normal unboxings because we got Misty. I don't know how it's called. Is it Carpador in English as well? I'm not sure of the English name of this one. In German, it's Mogelbaum. Got this one. We got the Anton. We got the Shymian. I don't know. Oh, that's okay. No hit on this pack. First pack magic didn't happen, by the way, as you saw. I'm very excited. I already have one of the Garchomp versions, and I have one of the Ho-Ohs. We got another Cynthia card. That's great. We got the starter evolution, and we got that one. Great. I do gotta say, in Japanese, everything looks like really cool. That's kind of a bonus point, I would say. But the packs are opening very, very great as well. Like, it's very, very easy to get that open. We got a Garchomp. Let's go. One of the things we wanted. I got a Lapras. This one again. We got full art. And we got this one again. Okay, I'm gonna sleeve the full art one really quick because that's great. And this one as well because I don't care how much value is in the card. My value from the card comes from my personal attachment. So these two are already great. Oops. Oopsie. All right, next one. All right, we got the first evolution. I'm not that sure how it's called, to be honest. We got this one. We got the apple. And no hit, but the masked one. I guess I'm not gonna sleeve the first evolution there this time. Because I think there are gonna be much more hits in here. And we got a lot of packs. So let's get it. I just want the golden. Okay, we got another Garchomp. Let's go. That's good. That's good karma for this pack. I can feel it. Oh, we got an EX. And no hit beneath. But this card looks very, very good. It's not my favorite, but it looks insane. So let's just continue. The hunt for the Garchomp. We got a Pichu, that's cute. We got the snake. We got I don't know. That's the main problem with these kind of openings, because I am German and I only know the German names, because that's where we got the Double Trouble Duo. That's great. I only know the German names because that's how I grew up with them, and that's how I mostly learn about it. In every game, everything, I just use the German names, so it is rather difficult for me to come up with mostly the English names. Okay, Pichu again. This one, the snail again, and a sandwich, and I think it's Kripok. I'm not that sure if it's the one in English as well, to be honest. Okay, let's open this one. I'm totally not sure which order I'm picking, or if I'm picking the right order or anything, but well, that's how it goes, you know? You gotta go with the flow. Okay, this one doesn't want to open. Like that. We got a Starmie. We got the first, that's great. Oh, and we got the Ho EX. I got this one in full art, I think. In Korean. Or the other set. But, well, this one looks great as well. But we are hunting for the Garchomp. For the big hit Garchomp. I think the normal EXs are not hit slots, right? I think that's how it works. Okay, this one just opened like brutally. Let's see if it's good or bad luck. Got the dog. We got the first evolution. Okay, we got another of the masked one and a sandwich. All right. Let's see what else we can get. All right, we got this one, the flowers again, Tornado, and another mask. I'm not that big of a fan of the mask one. That's the only downside to this Pokemon pack, because as you can see, there's a lot of masked ones in here. Another Electek, another... oh, I'm not sure, is it? Is it Tyranitar? I think that one's Tyranitar in the English version. Damn, I sure hope there's another full art of this size in there. Because I really want this from the Garchomp one. Garchomp and Cynthia. Putting this here so we can all remind ourselves, okay, let's get that one. And we got the Rotom. We got another apple. Another squid. And this one. I also just know the German names. It's a Bogelin in German. I mean, obviously you pronounce it a different way. That was like the German name pronounced in English. But well. We got another fish. We got another Rotom. We got the Dragonfly. That's what it's called. We got another Tyranitar. Alright, alright, alright. So far, so good, but we are missing some Garchomps. We need more Garchomps in the house. We need more Garchomps. Got the first evolution of the one we put earlier. Alright, we got the squirrel in reverse. Wow, it's not reverse holo, it's holo, right? Yeah. I'm not sure about the terms of the, and even if they can be applied to English or Japanese sets. But, well, not that I would care much. Okay, we got this one again. Okay, only duplicates on this pack, but we got another Cynthia card, which is not too bad. To be honest, as long as I get great Cynthia cards, or as long as I get the wanted Garchomp from this one, I'm fine. Electek, oh, this one's new. And another Melodic. I'm not that sure. I should probably learn the English names before opening more Pokemon, right? So I can call out. I don't sound like a fake Pokemon fan. Alright, we got another one. Let's go. Maybe this army? I'm not sure. And okay, but this one is of... this one is new. Alright, how many packs? We got 12 packs left, I think. 12 packs, more than enough to pull one more Garchomp, you know? Alright, that's great. Okay, at least another Cynthia card. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We have... maybe even if we can just complete the normal Cynthia team, that'd also be kind of great. But I still want the Garchomp. Okay. Oh, let's go. We got it. At least one. We got the... That's one of the cards I wanted. The other one was like full art like this. I'm not that sure if I can still pull a full art like that. But let's go. Let's go. That's happy. I'm actually already happy with kind of just this one. But of course, I love if I could be able to pull more of these. All right, that's the apple. The evolution of the apple. This card looks great, to be honest. This looks very scary for, in my opinion, very lame Pokemon. We got 4 on this side. We got 4 on that. We got 5 on that side. I'm not able to count. With the Garchomp here, I'm just not able to get it right. All right, we got these 2. I already got them. And we got the Dragonfly. I'm not sure how it's called, to be honest. Again. But we got it in Full Art EX. Let's put it like that, I think. And last 8 packs. I don't know if there's any more full arts in there. I think 1 golden card could still be in there, right? All right, we got it in EX directly after. All right. Let's see, I'm not that sure about this pack, but those are the same cards, but with different designs just. But hey, that's great. I think having a set like that is also very, very great, even though I'm not that caring about that card, to be honest. And we got This Is Good Karma for the pack, I think. We got the sand. The sand is great, but not great enough. Last 6 packs now. Let's see if we can pull some more. Another. That's great luck, I think. Oh. I mean, it's great, but it's not the one I wanted. This is the Garchomp. Damn, I would have lost it. This is the Garchomp. No. I would have lost. But we still have 5 packs for another big Garchomp, I think. I can just hope for it. Pichu. Okay, this is the first one. At least we got a new card. So now let's see the last 4 packs. Okay, I can see it shining already. And okay, got the Magma Snail. Snake is a different thing. I'm very stupid. And last 3 packs. Better get a great hit on these ones. Wait, I forgot to put this one away. Okay. Another one of these. Okay, and another mask one. All right, last 2 packs. Come on. Give me something good, please. Give me another Garchomp. Okay, I already saw it sparking here. Okay, to be honest, this is as great for me as well, because I also love some Gyarados. Damn, that's fine as well. And I'm not a big fan of Misty, but that's great. Okay, let's try open this one like okay, it kind of worked. Kind of worked for the last pack to at least look great on the outside. Let's see how it looks on the inside. And last pack magic was nothing. But to be honest, we got 2 great hits for us. I mean, maybe 3 nice ones. And the Tyrannosaurus over here. So it could have been better, but I'm very happy about these 3. And to be honest, about the Dragonfly combination, that's also very nice. And also, I mean, these ones, it would have been very, very insane if I had the combo of these 2, to be honest. But I got this combo, I got this combo, and I got these here. And this one looks very, very nice as well. So I'm very happy with this haul, to be honest. It could have been better. I could have pulled a gold star or a rainbow, and I'm not sure how it's called. But in the Korean version, I pulled these ones in the very, very golden one. But these are very great as well. I would say thank you for viewing, and stay tuned for more openings, more nerd content, and see you in the next video. Bye.